Today I'm going to explain the layer masks in Photoshop that you will be needing to make Photoshop edits. So for this I have opened a photograph in Photoshop and now I'm just going to layer panel here, selecting a solid color adjustment layer, and firstly I'm making a gray color adjustment layer like this with a soft light in the blend mode. And you see that this is brightening up the photograph. And now in this I am not liking the color of the subject. Background is okay, but it's too highlighted for the subject. So what we need to do now is to edit these little things, but we don't want any destructive way. We'll all be going to a non-destructive form. And to make a layer mask, just click on the rectangle ball icon from the layer panel below, or you will be having a white color layer like this from the solid color adjustment layer prior. So basically what we are going to do with this layer mask is that whatever we paint in the layer mask is going to be black and white, and this will be either making the effect shown or it either hides them. The method is take the brush tool from the toolbar. If you paint with black, it hides the effect that we are having in that particular layer, and if we paint with it white, it reveals the effect on that area. So let the settings be as above, and now I don't want too much bright model, so I am painting on her like this with a black color, so you can see it hiding the current effect from her. It was too bright earlier, but now it's quite natural, not too low, but with a it's I'm painting with a 50 or 40%, so it giving such a nice texture to her, and I quite like this. If I want any, if I have done any mistake like this, I can just go to the white color, switch to the white color from the foreground, and make it the effect reveal over there. So like this was earlier and this is now. But what if I want something more? I'm just going to add a new solid color adjustment layer like earlier from here, and this time I'm going to select a quite dark red or maroon color like this, and switching it again to soft light. With this color it's giving a kind of red effect, but it's not, I don't like it all over the place, so I'm just adding a, but this time layer mask I'm adding it's inverted with a control I. Hit control I, select the layer mask thumbnail, and then hit a control I. This is giving a black color to the layer mask, which means the current effect is hidden right now, and I have to paint it with white to make it reveal. Like I want to reveal it on her hair, so I'm just making my brush smaller in size with left rectangle bracket, and with a flow quite 50%, I'm just painting over her hairs like this. Anytime I can just go to undo, or I can even paint it with white or black, vice versa, as per I need the requirements. So you can see how the effect is getting into light. Basically the inverted mask is really helpful here because I have to just reveal it on little places like her hairs, her lips, so it's better to work with an inverted mask. rather than to hide everything else by painting. I have already hidden and I'm just showing it up on some little things. You can anytime zoom in and make detailed effect like here on her lips. And also I think I would go a little more for the darkness of this red kind of look for her dress and eyes. So this was earlier and this is her right now. This is so much different. It's her hairs are right now too much in light and I kind like this look, making her hairs and face in prominent. And so you can just go on and make some edits requirement of your photograph that you have taken or you want to edit. And in this layer mask way you are doing a fun process even and not destructing your image. All is restored as different layers, different work paths, so it's totally a non-destructive format. I can anytime get my own photograph back and it's so easy. So I hope this tutorial has laid as a basic structure and for your further Photoshop editing adventures. Please share the tutorial with your friends if you like it, and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for further free Photoshop video tutorials, and hit the bell icon to never miss a video update.